In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Spotify Equalizer settings. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once it is loaded, look in the top corner of the window for your profile icon. Click the profile icon to open the menu, then select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. From here, scroll down until you find the Playback section. Within the Playback section, look for the Equalizer option. Depending on your app version and region, this option may or may not be available. If you see it, toggle the equalizer on to activate it. Once the equalizer is switched on, you will see several frequency sliders, along with a list of presets. Start by selecting a preset to get a feel for the different sound profiles. For example, you can choose Bass Boost to increase the low end, Acoustic to smooth the highs and bring out the mids, or Pop to add more sparkle and clarity. After selecting a preset, play a familiar track so you can hear the changes as you adjust the settings. If you want more control over the sound, you can adjust the frequency sliders manually. The sliders on the left control the bass. The sliders in the center shape the mids, including vocals and guitars. The sliders on the right affect the treble, which controls brightness and detail. Move each slider slowly and make small adjustments at a time. You can also lower frequencies that you do not like instead of increasing other frequencies. If the sound starts to become harsh or muddy, switch the preset back to flat to reset the settings. Then make your adjustments again. You can also use the equalizer toggle to compare your adjusted sound with the original sound. Keep the volume at a comfortable level while making changes, since boosting certain frequencies can make a track seem louder even when the main volume has not changed. Try your settings with a few different songs and genres, rather than adjusting them for only one track. Your changes will apply instantly and will remain active until you turn the equalizer off or switch to a different preset. If you do not see the equalizer option in the playback section, the feature may not be available on your current setup. If it is available, simply turn it on, choose a preset, or adjust the sliders manually to change the sound for your headphones, speakers, and music. That's how to change Spotify Equalizer settings. Thank you for watching.